In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your audience list from Mailchimp. Whether you're managing a simple email campaign or handling a more comprehensive marketing list, exporting your audience data is a crucial skill that allows you to analyze, manage, and utilize your contacts in a variety of ways. So let's dive in and learn how to perform this task step by step. First, you're going to want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Make sure you're using a browser with which you're comfortable like Chrome, as it can enhance your overall experience and help avoid any hiccups along the way. Once you've reached the Mailchimp homepage, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Entering your username and password carefully ensures a smooth start to the process. After logging in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on the Audience tab. This section is the heart of where you manage your contact lists, and it's very user-friendly. Once you've landed here, take a moment to look through your lists. You'll see all the different audiences that you've accumulated over time. Pick the one you're interested in exporting by selecting it. This selection is important because it tells Mailchimp exactly which set of contacts you're looking to manage. Now that you have your audience list open, locate the Manage Contacts option and click on it. This is where you'll find various management actions you can take. From here, look for and select Export Audience. When you click this option, Mailchimp will start preparing your export. It's a straightforward process, but depending on the size of your contact list, it might take a little bit of time, so be patient. Mailchimp will prepare all of your data into a zip file, which is a compressed format that makes downloading faster and more efficient. You'll receive a notification or see an option to download this file once it's ready. Go ahead and download this zip file to your computer. Keep in mind where you save it, as you'll need to access it shortly. Once you've successfully downloaded the zip file, you'll want to unzip or extract the contents. Most computers allow you to do this by simply right-clicking on the file and selecting the extract or unzip function, which will then present you with the files contained inside. Within these files, you'll find your audience data in a CSV format. This format is universally compatible with spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets, making it quite straightforward to open and manipulate your data as you wish. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your audience list from Mailchimp. Practice this a few times and you'll find it becomes second nature, allowing you to leverage your contacts efficiently for whatever task you have at hand. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.